Welcome everyone to the first episode of this short video series called The Mathematics of Music. This is an academic project that hopes to hone your knowledge on the true nature of music. Note that whenever you see a small box appear on the screen, such as this one, it indicates the reference of the information I am providing. All references will be in a Word document linked in the description. According to the Cambridge Dictionary, music is a pattern of sounds made by music instrument, voices, or computers, or a combination of these, intended to give pleasure to the people listening to it. But what are sounds and how do they work? Well, let's look at this excerpt that I will thereafter analyze. This is a speaker. The membrane, which is the yellow part on the surface, moves back and forth, and this movement pushes the air. In your first science classes, you probably learned that the air we breathe is a mix of different chemical compounds. There are oxygen molecules, which we can't live without, there's nitrogen, and there are also many other molecules like carbon dioxide. Whenever the membrane of the speaker vacillates, all the molecules that were grouped in a region also move back and forth. In other words, this movement, called oscillation, propagates through molecules in any given medium, which can be air, water, or even metal, until it reaches our ears. Subsequently, our eardrums vibrate at this specific frequency that our brain will interpret as sound. However, speakers are not the only thing that vacillate to produce sound. Take vocal cords for instance. Warning, some may find this video graphic. This video shows a transnasal fiber optic stroboscopy to observe how vocal cords work. The white lines you see are the vocal cords, which vibrate like the speaker's membrane. However, to create higher frequencies, humans tighten their pharynx cavity, which compresses the molecules of the air inside of that cavity, so the oscillation is much faster. Lastly, if you look carefully at a string from a musical instrument, you will see these same vibrations, but from side to side instead of front to back. To play the guitar, we apply a force on the string, and because of its elasticity, it absorbs the energy, which allows it to oscillate. This video also demonstrates that phenomenon very well. To sum things up, sound occurs when an oscillation is propagated through molecules until it reaches our eardrums. This is how humans can produce sounds that are fundamental to music and language. In the next episode, we will discuss about why our brain finds specific sounds pleasant while others not. Thank you all for listening, and now to moderately substantiate my musicianship, here's a small jingle I composed for this video series outro. Hope you enjoy.